I will show you how to use the TS7700 to test the surface are not smooth. Okay. Now we open the box to take out this is a spectrophotometer TS. Turn on the button. Now we turn on the spectrophotometer TS7700 to the main test menu. Usually, if we test the smooth surface like this, we use the flat aperture to test. I press the measurement button. We use the flat aperture to test the color of the surface, smooth surface like this. Put the aperture on the surface and then press this measurement button. Okay, now we got the value of this point, and here is the color of the here is the color of the point we test. Okay, but if we want to test if the surface is not smooth like this, we will use the tip top aperture like this. Here are 4 aperture in the kit. 2 of them are flat aperture, and 2 of them are. It's very easy to switch the aperture. Just take out and screw the aperture. Okay. Now we switch the aperture and to test this point. The aperture to the smaller. We should switch the test mode into SAV mode. Okay, just push the button up. Okay, now we switch to the smaller aperture mode, and now we could test the color of the surface. If we want to test this point, put the aperture on the surface, and then we test. Since we switch the mode, so now we need to calibrate. Okay, here is the calibration plate. First we need to do the black calibration. Here, and just put the device on. Okay, now we finish the black calibration. Switch to do the white calibration. Okay, now we finish the calibration and could do the test step. Just put the aperture on the point you want to test like this. Okay, and press the measurement button. 拍下边这它，拍下边。Now you could see there are， 你能拍到吗？那个光刚才漏了一点，没有拍到是吧？ Now we got the value of this point. Since the surface is not smooth, there will be some error between the actual color. The value will be not the accurate value of the point. So we try to put 3 or 4 times, then to get the average of the value. Okay. 你这次要拍这儿，它会有一些漏光。I will show you how to test like this. Put the aperture on the surface. 看，拍到了吗？Okay. Now we can see some light from the surface because it's not smooth, so some light leaks from the surface. Now we got another value. Okay. Then I will show you how to use the average measurement to get the accurate, the average value of the color. Okay. Now we could see, is the aperture size is 4. Yeah, the angle is 10. The light is D65 and the standard is CIE-LAB. Okay, I will show you how to use the average measurement. Average, put here average. 看不到。Okay. Sample average like 3. Okay. 3 average. 3. Okay. Now we test the sample. 你要拍着哈。把这个 first we clear the data. 哎呀。Delete all the records and samples data. Okay. Now we test this point. Okay. Here we set the average measurement to 3, so here is 3, and there we only test once, so here is number 1. Then we test the same point twice. Try to keep the device stable, and then test another time. Okay, now we got the average value of the this point. Okay.